Hi, welcome everyone. Thank you for watching my videos. Welcome everybody. So in this video we will talk about mixing of colors and blending of colors. Okay. Now I have already blended few or mixed few colors. So this is blue. Blue mixed with red will give you maroon. Okay. Orange mixed with red will give you dark orange. Okay, again blue mixed with the yellow will give you green. Now how do we mix these colors and make it smooth? So I will show one pattern over here. So this is blue. Okay, now it is very important that you need to put the first layer pretty light. Okay, always remember your first layer should always be lighter. Do not put a lot of pressure, and make sure that you go in the same direction throughout. That's number one. That is very important. Okay, now if you want to make it maroon, then you'll have to mix blue with red. So I have red over here. Then I will again mix red little bit. Okay, again it would be pretty very low pressure. It has to be low pressure. Okay, now a mixture of maroon will happen if you have more of red and less of blue. So what I'll do is now I'll put a little bit of pressure, okay, and add few more pigments of red to it. Okay, alright, this is done. Now I have add little blue to it. What I'll do is I've added a little blue. Now I'll go in opposite direction. And if you see, all the white spots have vanished. Okay, so make sure step one, your first layer should always be at a very low pressure, at a very low pressure. Okay, your second layer should also be at a very low pressure. Okay, so when you mix color, it is very important that you build layer on layers. So it is not necessary, or it is not you should not be in a hurry to mix colors. That's very important. Now I'll blend. This is the Prisma blender that I've used, Prisma color blender. Okay, so now I'm blending this. When you blend it, make sure you go in the same direction for some time, and then very important, you go in the opposite direction, and always blend slowly. Okay, do not put a pressure at start, go very slow. Okay, so this is how you mix color and blend it. So step number one, right, put the first layer with a very low pressure, put the second layer of the second color in the opposite direction, and again put a very low pressure. Then put the second layer again of blue. For example, I'm taking blue, put a little bit of pressure, and then put red in the opposite direction. When you think that we got the maroon color or the shade of maroon color that we want, then you can use a blender and blend it. Okay, so with this technique I have already sketched a painting, a small painting, which is this. Okay, so we will look at this sketch in detail during the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's enjoy the sketch. So I've used maroon color, wherein I have put the first layer of blue, then I put a second layer for red. Okay, then I mixed it. Okay, then I blended and that's how I got the maroon color. Okay. For the skin tone, I have used orange, and for dark, red. I put red on the darker shades, and then I have used black color pencil to make it more darker. So always remember, when you mix color, so for example, if you're mixing blue with red, which will give you maroon, so you need to put the first layer of blue with a very low pressure, then the second layer, which is of red, you should go in the opposite direction, and then if you want, you can keep on adding those colors. So then you can add again blue in the opposite direction, okay, then a layer of red again in the opposite direction. And very important, when you blend it in the opposite direction for both the colors. So mixing colors in color pencil is difficult. You need to have a lot of patience, okay. The technique that I use is I use the opposite direction techniques for mixing one color with another color, and also for blending. So I hope you liked the video. I will come up with another video very soon, as we know that I am running a theme, Real Warriors. So I would request you to put your comments, guess what will be the next color pencil in the Real Warriors, and also tell me which one should I sketch. So thank you for joining in. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe and comment. I hope the technique that I am using will be useful for you. Again, the technique would be mixing the colors in opposite direction, again blending the colors, or blending two colors, or blending any color in the opposite direction will always give you a smooth effect. So thank you so much for watching, and if you think that I need to improve, please put your comments in the suggestion box. Please put your comments in the comment box. Thank you for joining me.